Have you ever wondered how I make this type of videos for free? Well, come with me and I'm going to show you right now. So for you to do this is really simple. All you really need is the image that you actually want to use for the visualizer, and then this website that I'm going to show you. You can use any photo app or anything you can use to generate an image, or if you just have a picture you want to use without any text, you can do that as well. I personally like to use Canva, so I'm just going to show you a quick example. Then we're going to put it into the the website, and we're going to get our visualizer. The reason I like using Canva, and to be honest, you can probably find this with a lot of photo generating apps. Is that they already have the right dimensions that you need. So for example, most of the time I'm using this for like my YouTube image visualizers for like my beats, yeah. So it'll be the same dimensions as the YouTube thumbnail. So if I just go into Canva here and I just go to YouTube, okay, it's already got it here. So what I'll do is I'll create my YouTube thumbnail, and then I'll use that thumbnail to obviously create the visualizer as well. So let's just create something random from scratch. So once you've got the image that you want to use, what you want to then do is come into the website called visit.io. What I'll do is I'll probably write it somewhere in this video. And if you're watching this on YouTube, I'll actually put a link that you can just click on in the description as well. So once you're on the website, you want to create a profile for yourself. I've already done one. So from now, once you've created your profile, you come back into your profile. You just have to scroll down to open the editor now, yeah? Whenever you open up a new project, you will get these little recommended projects by staff just to kind of get you going, but you don't really need them. Like you can see over here, you've already got a few things on the screen, but this is just to kind of give you a start. You don't really need to use it. So what I like to do, for example, the first thing I'll do is I'll change the image. So if you come here, as you can see, there's a background layer, and you've got the 2D image. So what you want to do is click on that, then come over here and just click upload. Go to where you've stored that image that we made earlier, click it, and then as you can see, that's now the image on the background. But as you can see, we've got this circle thing here. It's called it's called a spectrum, I think. So what you want to do is you want to come here, and then you can either delete it, or you can keep it, or you can choose a different one. So as you can see over here, they've got quite a few. Sometimes I do like using like the bars. So once you play your audio, it's going to move. But a lot of the times I don't always use it. But let me just delete it for now, and if I do want to use it, I can add it in later. One thing I always use is you always see me have those like little particles flying, and that's just this. So it's just the particles. And what you can then do is obviously you can change what it is. You got like the snow, star, whatever. You got the cloud. You got a circle or square. The one that I think looks good is literally the first one. You don't want it too big, you don't want it too small. Just the first one looks good. And then over here, you can then change the color depending on the mood or whatever you like. And then you can change, for example, the amount you want, the front limit, the back limit, little things like that. So you can get quite creative. What you then want to do as well is then upload your song or your music or your audio. So if you come to the bottom right here, you can see it says choose audio. So then you just go to wherever you've got the audio you want to use stored, and then you just upload that in. Now I've got my audio in there. Once I play it, you will see that it reacts with the particles. So you can see that it reacts with the particles as well, and you can actually really dial in and do this exactly how you want it to to react to it. So for example, if you go to behavior, you can go to the origin, you can go to transform. There's just so much that you can do with it. This is not really going to be a tutorial on how to use it. I might make a video another day on how to use it. If you want me to do that, let me know. So although this is mostly what I like to use, there's so much more you can do. So for example, if you go on your image and you've got this little like a starish thing, it says add effects. So from here you can add so many different effects, and it's all free without watermark. It's a really no-brainer. This company are amazing. So for example, you can add like a camera shake, You can have, there's so much you can do. So just go through it. You can even, chroma key, so you can, obviously if you have like a green screen, you can obviously remove the background and then put whatever you want to put in it as well. So you can do quite a lot in this. It's a really, really powerful website to create your visualizers, and it's for free. For free, yeah? For free with no watermark. Yeah, you get a lot of these sites that say for free. You add two things in, next thing you know, you're having to, pay monthly, or you're having to pay £100, and it's all lie. They just tell you it's for free. You go in and it's not really for free. But for this one, when they say it's for free, it is for free. You know, hopefully they keep it for free. I've been using this for about a year and a bit now, and it's been free, and they keep updating it, and it keeps getting better. So yeah, tell a friend, it is free. My people, so that's it for today. I really hope you found that useful. If you did, make sure you drop a like, make sure you drop a comment and all that good stuff. And yeah, man, Mr. Jimmo, I'll see you next time for some more tips, tricks, and of course some fire beats. Mr. Jimmo out.